A very good morning to all my dear 11th students. As in the last two videos of this chapter, Bill of Exchange, for the subject accounts, we have discussed the theory of this chapter, and in the second video we have discussed how can we find the due dates, and now in the third video of this chapter, I have told you that we will discuss the practical problem. I have told you that there are major three parties, but in starting we will take the two parties of bill of exchange. One, the writer, and the second one is acceptor. The writer, for the writer, bill will be bills receivable. For writer of the bill, bills will be bills receivable, because by that bill he will receive the money. And for acceptor, that bill will be bills payable. Because due to that bill he have to pay the money. Okay, so let me tell you the accounting treatment. First. Before starting the accounting treatment, I just want to tell you that there are some different uses of bills receivable. A writer who is writing the bill, after getting the acceptance from the other party, can do four types of method. Can use four types of method for bills of exchange. The number one, he can keep the bill till the due date, till the date of maturity. At that time he will receive the payment. Next, if he needs money before the due date, he usually go to bank and gets their bill discounted. At that time, at the due date, bank will collect the money from the acceptor. Okay. Now, he may endorse it to the some other party. Quite simple as that. There in the business there are multiple people, and if there are multiple people, there will be many creditors or debtors of a person. So if I have a bill receivable and someone else asks money from me, I will just give that bill receivable to him, and I will say that at the date of maturity, at the due date, you can take the money from the third party. Now, and the last, I can send, writer can send the bill to the bank, so that and instructs bank that at the time of maturity, collect the money and get it credited in the bank account. So first of all, we will tell you the first condition. There are two parties, X and Y. We have supposed X and Y. X is writer who has sold the good, and Y is acceptor who has purchased the good. What will be the general entry when X sold goods to Y? When goods is sold, the entry will be if I am selling the goods, goods will be sent on credit basis. That is why bill of exchange is being written. So at that time, for X it will be Y debit to sales account, and for Y it will be purchase account debit to X. Then I have told you the basic general entry rules. Debit what comes in, credit what goes out. At that time, when X is receiving the bill, after the acceptance, then X is receiving the bill. So bills receivable account debit to Y. We can do this entry to to Y column by X debit to bills payable. Then the third entry, at the time of due date, when the payment is being done, he will receive the amount to bank account debit to bills receivable. He will pay the amount to bills payable account debit to bank. Let's see the illustration. Number third. On 1st Jan 2017, X sold goods to Y for 50,000. On the same date, X draws a bill on Y for 50,000. Okay, Y accepted the bills and returned to. Okay, very simple. First of all, let's do the entries in the books of X. X is selling the goods. Then the entry will be Y debit to sales. Okay, 50,000. Then bill of exchange. So bill receivable account debit to Y. Bill receivable account debit to Y. Then payment. Then bank account debit to bills receivable. Bank account debit to bills receivable. Okay. Same procedure will be followed in the Y. Ledger will be made by you. I will just tell you the entries. Y purchase account debit to X. Y has purchased the goods. Then X debit to bill payable. Acceptance is given, and then bill payable debit to bank. Bill payable debit to bank. Amount has paid. Now you have to do the ledger. You have to prepare the ledger for this question, and you have to learn the general entries of this chapter. And after that, try to do further questions. Try to do further questions. If you have any doubt, any problems, you can ask, and your queries will be resolved. Till then, bye bye.